This is me 10 years ago, back when I was working in a regular job and living from paycheck to paycheck, just out of high school. Back then, I was super motivated but clueless about how to generate a passive income. Since then, I have worked in a multiple 9-to-5 jobs, and the last 5 to 6 years, I have actually lived off making money online with my old YouTube channel, which has around 55,000 subscribers. I have already made thousands of dollars with the help of YouTube traffic, and I have gained a decent knowledge about how YouTube works, which I will share more in my upcoming videos, so subscribe if you are interested. Now I will explain exactly how I plan to become a millionaire in the next 1 to 3 years by following a specific schedule and routine. My main focus will be creating valuable content effectively that I will post on YouTube and Twitter. The systems I will share can also be used for newsletters, blogs, or anything else. So if you don't plan on becoming a YouTube creator, these systems will help you if you plan on creating any type of content on the internet. The specific systems I will talk about works for virtually anything. First of all, and I can be honest and say that I make few $1,000s a month right now, which is not even close to being a millionaire. So to become a millionaire, the first thing I will do is I will isolate myself from anything that doesn't bring me closer to my goal. No social media, no news, no mindless scrolling every few minutes. Basically a minimalistic approach and detoxing from all the toxic stuff. Just a specific tasks I need to do: workout, daily writing, daily reading before sleep, and researching actual scientific papers on specific topics. Number 2, brain boosting diet. I have recently switched to intermittent fasting diet because it has been scientifically proven that your brain is much more focused when you are fasting. Therefore, I will not be eating until it's noon. As I have researched, when you skip eating breakfast, you actually activate your brain in different ways. It goes into a working mode and has to be more focused because your body still haven't received calories. This means your survival instinct is activated because you need food, and naturally your brain becomes more efficient to find that food and help your body not die. I will use this focused brain power to get through my hardest tasks in the first 4 to 5 hours in the morning. Number 3, writing 1,000 words every morning. I will write 1,000 words on a specific topic to create more value. I have found out that writing has so many benefits, and as a content creator, it will be stupid not to do them. Writing every morning will help me find ideas and create content for my YouTube videos and other social media posts. The main thing I will be talking about will be growing your social media channels, making more money online, self-development, biohacking as the main topics. Giving an actual value through these topics is the main goal. Number 4, reading at least 100 pages every day on finance, biohacking, marketing, selling, and much more. I have to read and put in work so I can actually bring more value to more people and be more effective. Most successful people like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Mark Cuban have been avid readers their whole life, and usually they credit their success to reading. Most people don't read books, so this is probably the best and easiest life hack that anyone can do. I have already bought around 100 books this year that I still have to get through. Reading also has 20 plus incredible benefits that it is stupid not to read at least 30 minutes every day. Number 5, focusing creating content only on 2 major social platforms. I will focus on just 2 channels until I make enough money to outsource content creation to other people. I think it is a big mistake to focus on more platforms if you haven't yet made a big impact on just one. Another important hack is that creating a long-form content is much more valuable to other people, and that's what I will be focusing on. This is the truth that many people don't realize. Social media platforms want people to spend as much time there as possible. So if you learn how to create engaging, long-form content, your posts will have more attention and retention because people will spend more time there. Number 6, focus on digital products that can create multiple income streams. I am planning to create multiple digital products so people that want to utilize everything I find valuable can do that. Even simple products like Notion templates and color grading LUTs can be an outstanding passive income source. The best thing about digital products is that you don't need to think about shipping or warehouse costs or anything that comes with selling a physical product. This also helps with avoiding different fees and keeping more to your business. Number 7. Scheduling content with social media automation tools. This is one of the best things about internet. You can schedule your content for the next few days, even weeks or months, and use that leverage to set your own specific working hours every day. With the help of AI, there are already so many new tools that 99% of people don't know about. I'm actually sharing these new AI tools on my Twitter feed regularly and using multiple tools in my own content creation routine as well. Number 8. Reinvesting back in the business. I will put back around 50% of my profits in my business for outsourcing specific tasks like YouTube editing, posting on all available platforms, and buying necessary gear to improve my video quality and storytelling. Overall, I expect the first 2 years to be the hardest ones, but let's see how it goes. I will keep you updating on my journey in the upcoming YouTube videos and share my knowledge every day on Twitter as well, so follow me there if you want to learn everything about YouTube growth. Press thumbs up and drop a comment so YouTube algorithm actually sees me, and thanks for watching.